Okay, my little llamas, now that we researched heredity on PebbleGo, we already have our journal, our pencil, our crayons ready. What are we going to do? Our instructions tell us to watch this teacher video to illustrate, color, and label a parent and a young animal. How many animals are you going to draw for me today? Dos, you got it. But you will only need one page in your journal. Everybody everywhere, open up and don't skip those pages. Find the first clean page that you have. Mine's right here. We always begin with the date. On top of your page, will you begin with a 5 for May, 20 for today, 2021 for the year. And how many animals are we drawing today? 2. So we're going to partition our paper into halves. Good memory. I'm going to underline my title, then partition down the center. Will you please give me a T to also separate your page today? We're going to draw 2 animals on each side. They come from the same family. We're going to have a parent and a young animal. Let's start with the P word. Repeat it and write it. Parent. I'm going to go down to my first line. Repeat it and write it again. P-A-R-E-N-T. Parent. Do you have that label? P-A-R-E-N-T. Beautiful. Now go to your other half of the page, and here we're going to write young. Repeat it with me, please. Young. Y-y-y-y-o-n-g. Check that label. It's a difficult word. Y-O-U-N-G. I like to underline my labels. Parent and young. Your next job is to decide what animal are you drawing today. We all don't have to draw the same animal. We have different favorites. You know what mine is. And here are some examples to remind you. I got these from PebbleGo. Remember the mama cat and the baby kitten. I have the mama bird and the baby birds. And here, the papa dog and all those beautiful little baby dogs. You don't have to draw one of these, but here are some ideas if you can't think of one. I am thinking of my favorite. I'm going to show you an adult, and I'm going to show you the baby or the offspring. You will have your turn to show me a parent. Should be a little bit bigger, maybe taller, but a lot of the same traits. Then you need the young or the baby. I'm doing my favorite, you already know, the llamas. Now we saw the babies sometimes are fluffier, so I'm going to try to make this one look very, very fluffy. I hope you're not copying my llama. This is my idea. You will have yours in just a minute. I've got to add my details, lots of color, and I want to make sure that they have some same traits, but they also have some differences because this parent has grown a lot more than the young llama. I'm going to take my time for the details, add lots and lots of crayon color, and then check your work before you're ready to upload. You have a parent, a bigger animal, a young, a smaller animal. Oh, and let's write up top. What animal did you pick? I picked a llama. Llama. You don't have to pick a llama. Here are some other ideas. Dog, bird, cat. And there were more on PebbleGo, but I know you have some in that head of yours as well. Think, write, draw, and color. When you're ready to take a picture, make sure you have an animal on top, parent label, young label, 2 animals, and lots of color. Take time to do your best work, my young students, and I cannot wait to see your mamas and your offspring when you turn in. See you tomorrow.